In this video tutorial, we will show you how to create a multi-column layout for checkbox inputs in Gravity Forms using the Checkbox and Radio Styler add-on provided by Gravity Booster. This feature allows you to organize checkbox options into multiple columns, providing a more visually appealing and user-friendly form. If you have ever felt limited by Gravity Forms' default single-column layout for checkbox options, then Checkbox and Radio Styler add-on is here to offer a no-code solution. To get started, make sure you have installed and activated the Checkbox and Radio Styler add-on, then open the form editor for the form you want to modify. Once in the form editor, click on the Styler option to access the Gravity Booster interface. Then navigate to Checkbox Input section within the Checkbox and Radio panel. Here you can specify the number of columns you want to divide your checkboxes into. You can choose anywhere from 1 to 5 columns, depending on your layout preferences. After making your selection, don't forget to save your changes to make them live on your website. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can create a multi-column layout for checkbox inputs in Gravity Forms using the Checkbox and Radio Styler add-on. Keep in mind that these columns are responsive and will adapt to a single column layout on mobile devices for optimal viewing. Thanks for watching.